Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we have here the 2025 Sanrio monthly planners. We have two variants, the handbook and the schedule book. For the schedule book, they do have four different sizes. They do have the B5, B6, A6, and a mini schedule books. And what I have here is the B6 and the A6 size. And for the handbook, there's only one size. There's only A6 size, which is this handbook and the schedule book that I have right now has the same A6 size. They just have different notes pages. Like for the schedule book, it is much thicker since it is a 24 pages, and for the handbook it has 20 pages overall. And here's the front page for both of them. I really like the front page of the handbook more than the schedule book, but if you do like to design your front pages yourself, you might prefer the schedule book. And I also prefer the yearly calendar more for the handbook than the schedule book. As you can see it more clearly for the handbook than the schedule book. It is more bolder for the handbook, and you can definitely see that it is a Monday start for both of them. And also for the next page, we will start for the monthly pages. For the handbook side, it does start on December 2024. And for the schedule book side, it starts on October 2024. And also for the handbook, it ends on January 2026, while the schedule book ends on December 2025. And for its monthly pages, they both have 15 pages. And you could also differentiate that the schedule book is much more colorful than the handbook. And also, they both starts a Monday start, and they do both have a monthly preview on the right side and a notes section on the bottom side. And also, as you have noticed, the box sizes is more consistent on the schedule books. On the handbook though, it is not consistent size. If you notice, the Monday is a bit bigger, and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is the most consistent sizes of it. And Friday, Saturday, Sunday is the biggest box size on the date book. And also the weekend, it has different colors. For the schedule book, it has the red boxes for Sunday and the same throughout from Monday to Saturday. And also the holidays for the monthly calendar is also different. It is like black, it is on the red block on the schedule book, and it is just plain on the handbook. And also we have here the May comparison for the 2025. And it really all depends on your preference overall which one you would like. It is my first time using the handbook, and next year would be the first time I would use it, and I would use it side by side with the schedule book. And also the notes pages have different patterns. Like for the schedule book, it has grid, and for the handbook, it is lined. I do prefer the grid more, which is the schedule book notes pages, than the handbook. And also, the notes pages of the schedule book is 7, and for the handbook it is 5 pages. I was disappointed because it the schedule book last year has 15 no like 16 note pages. That's why it is thicker, but I do prefer that it does have more notes pages since I do use them a lot. But the year 2025, they did remove a lot of that note pages, and it is just 7 notes pages for the schedule book. And here we will start the flip through for the Koromi version. And here's the back side. Like, the front and the back are really cute. A bit later on, we will remove the tag. But let's remove the cover first, which I really like. It's really a plus point when a planner comes already with a cover that you don't need to buy it as an additional. Like, I hope they do that with all the planners. Like, how I wish they could automatically price that in, that you don't have to buy it separately, and the tag on the front is easy to remove like the schedule books, but this one is more tape at the back of the page. And here's the look for the Koromi one without the tag on the front. And let's put everything back up. And for the tags, I don't throw them away. I do put or slide it in on the cover. And here we have the yearly calendar and the start for December 2024. And we have here the January 2025. We have February, March, April, May, June, and I haven't really decided yet for which planner I would use for, but I'm pretty sure for the schedule book that the Sanrio characters of that one would be my personal planner, and I have been using that one since that one really arrived early, and like for this one it was delayed for about a month. That's why I did not also upload the video for the schedule books ahead of time, even though I got them earlier, because I was waiting for the others to come and I thought that would be fast. But I did wait for about a month when it did arrive. It did came directly from Japan, and with our weather, a lot of tropical storms right now, so I could understand why it did arrive so late. And here's the back of the Oromi. And here we have the Sanrio characters. And I really like that they have option for single character and most of the Sanrio characters on different planners. And that's why it's hard to choose which one you would like to have and plan with for the year. And also, even if you don't remove the cover, you could remove the tag at the front. And here's the look without the tag for the Sanrio characters. And I really like it's very colorful Sanrio characters. It's the same design for the desk calendar that I bought. And here we have the December 2024. And we have January. We have February. And also, most pens you could use with this. If you use fountain pens, I don't recommend wet inks. Like, I would recommend drier inks. It really does a good job with these planners. Like, I do use my fountain pens with this one. I just do use dry a drier kind of an ink. And especially with the shimmer inks, like it works well with these planners as well. But for yourself, if you want to try, you could try on the notes page first. So you could try which pens and which highlighters or which fountain pens would work best on your planners. And here's our notes pages. And that's everything. If you missed the flip through for the Hello Kitty one, you could check out the first one that I have uploaded with the flip through of the wall calendar and the desk calendar. Overall, I'm pretty in love with these schedule books and handbooks. And here's the Sanrio characters. With the other Sanrio characters, here's the schedule book Sanrio characters. And here's the Sanrio characters handbook. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you again and follow for more.